Hey everyone! Welcome back to Larry Under Pressure. Today, we're making one of the all-time comfort food favorites, grilled cheese sandwiches, right in the Ninja Dual Drawer Air Fryer. Crispy on the outside, gooey on the inside, and done in minutes with no mess. Stick around and we'll show you just how easy it is to get golden perfection every time. So let's get to it.
There's nothing much more satisfying and comforting than a delicious grilled cheese sandwich. So today we're cooking up grilled cheese sandwiches in the air fryer. It's an easy way to fix them and a delicious way, and a way that's just about foolproof. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to take butter, and I've got total about probably a tablespoon, maybe a little bit more here. And we're going to spread butter on one side of the bread. And I've got good, fresh, regular white bread, but you can use a bigger bread like barbecue bread or a Texas toast or whatever you want. It all works in this recipe. You won't believe how simple this is and how delicious. And doing it in the air fryer is a real good way to do it. So there's our butter. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put 3 slices, I'm going to use 3 slices of American cheese on the bread. You can use American cheese, you can use grated cheese, like grated cheddar cheese, or you can use whatever kind of cheese you want. You could even use mozzarella cheese, or again, whatever you wanted. Let's close the sandwich up. We've got the butter spread on the bread next to the cheese. The next thing we're going to do, and the last thing we're going to do in prep, is take mayonnaise, just regular mayonnaise, and spread on the outside of the bread. Doesn't seem like that would be right, but trust me on this, it is. I've tested this and it works out well. It actually ends up tasting buttery on the outside for whatever reason, but it works. So trust me on it and give it a try if you want to test it. There, I've got mayonnaise on that side. And we're going to put mayonnaise on the other side. And there's no trick to it. You just put it on and spread it around. Again, I've got about probably a tablespoon and a half of mayonnaise that I'm putting on the outside. Doesn't taste like mayonnaise once it cooks either. There's not a flavor of mayonnaise at all. There we go. We've got it coated from crust to crust. You don't want to leave anything uncoated because it won't toast the same. It won't look right and it'll taste wrong. So now we have that all set. We're going to put it in the air fryer, and I have preheated the air fryer already to 365 degrees. So let's go to the air fryer and put these in and get started with cooking. We're here at the air fryer, and we're going to pause because we have it preheating, and we have it preheating at, let me get this in there and then I'll tell you. Let's put the sandwich in there and close it. Then we're going to set up the air fryer. The recipe actually calls for 370, but my air fryer won't do 370. It does 360 to 375. So we're going to do it on 360, and we're going to cook it for 4 minutes. We've got it in there, and we'll check on it again in about 3 minutes and see how it looks. There's 3 minutes. Let's take a look. It's beginning to brown around the edges just a little bit, but it definitely needs another minute. Let's stop it with 4 minutes left, 4 seconds left to go. And it looks pretty good. It's fairly brown around the edges, but I think it still needs a little bit more time. So let's bump the time up to 1 more minute and restart it, and then we'll take a final look. Okay, we have 15 seconds left. Let's take a look and see, and it's good and brown on that side. Let's flip it and let it cook for just another minute on the back side. We're going to increase the time to 1 more minute and let it cook. Okay, the cooker is done. And to recap, we cooked it for 4 minutes on one side and then 1 minute on the back side, and we've taken it out and plated it. We'll let it cool for just a minute and then we'll take a taste of it. There's that beautiful, delicious looking grilled cheese. And who would think with that mayo on there that it would brown so nicely? Let's cut it and see what it looks like inside. The cheese is nice and melted. And it looks delicious. Let me squeeze it. See how that oozes out? Take a little taste of it. Real gooey, cheesy, and delicious. In this particular air fryer, I could easily have fixed 4 at one time. You can probably fix 4 at one time in yours, or even more. But it only takes 5 minutes. So you can make a bunch of these for the kiddies at one time, or you can make several batches of them and have a bunch of them to fix for quite a few people that are eating them. Give it a try, see what you think, and leave comments below about your experience with this recipe. And I'll see you on my next video.
Thanks for watching another delicious episode of Larry Under Pressure. If you enjoyed these crispy, gooey air fryer grilled cheese sandwiches, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy air fryer recipes, and hit the icon bell so you never miss a bite. See you next time.